Shabbat Parashat Vayakel, this Shabbat is Parashat Shkalim. And really fits because we know the Gemara says that Bechad Be'adar Mashmi'im al Shkalim because it's a correspond to the Shkalim of Haman. The Machatzit Shekel is Keneged the Shkalim of Haman. What's the idea? The idea is that Haman was able to do his decree and to give Achashverosh 10,000 kikar kesef was because his words before, Yeshno Am Echad, Mefuzar u'Meforad ben Ha'amim. The ability to do a decree on Am Yisrael is just when we're not one. Machatzit Shekel is exactly the opposite. Machatzit Shekel shows that we're one. Machatzit Shekel shows that we do all the Korbanot Tzibur. We do the Bedek HaBayit. All together. Ha'ashir lo yarbeh ve'ada lo yamit. You don't become close to Hashem because you have more money and not less because you have less money. Kol Am Yisrael be'echad. And that's the reason it fits. Vayakel Moshe et kol adat bnei Yisrael. Moshe Rabbeinu gathered all Am Yisrael together, and that's exactly the idea of Parashat Shkalim. We should be zoche that the unity that we see now among Am Yisrael will continue and won't be just b'shat tzara, but Bezrat Hashem also on regular times. Shabbat Shalom Mevorach.